The path to prosperity, balancing wealth and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, achieving financial success is a common goal. But how do we balance this with our overall well-being? We all want to be rich. The allure of wealth is powerful, promising a life free from financial worries and full of opportunities. We dream of financial freedom, no more worrying about bills. Imagine a life where you can pay your bills with ease, celebrate milestones without financial stress, and enjoy your home with your loved ones. But getting rich isn't just about money. True wealth encompasses more than just financial assets. It includes emotional and mental well-being. It's also about managing stress. Stress can hurt us. It can cloud our judgment and affect our health. It affects our sleep, our health, and our happiness. A balanced life means prioritizing rest, engaging in healthy activities, and finding joy in nature. When we're stressed, we make bad choices, especially with money. Poor financial decisions often stem from a place of anxiety and pressure. This essay will teach you how to get rich faster, but it's not just about speed, it's about doing it wisely. More importantly, it will show you how to do it without the stress. You can achieve financial success while maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. You can have both wealth and well-being. Imagine a life where financial prosperity and personal happiness coexist harmoniously. Let's start this journey together. Together, we will explore strategies and practices that lead to a prosperous and peaceful life. Let's create a life of prosperity and peace. A life where wealth and well-being are not mutually exclusive but are intertwined, creating a fulfilling and joyful existence. Mastering your money. Practical tips for financial success. Achieving financial success is a journey that requires careful planning and consistent effort. The first step to wealth is simple. Spend less than you earn. This fundamental principle is the cornerstone of financial stability and growth. Sounds easy, right? But it takes discipline. It requires a conscious effort to monitor your spending habits and make informed decisions. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. A well-structured budget helps you understand your financial situation and plan for the future. Where does your money go each month? Once you know, you can control it. Identifying your spending patterns is crucial for making necessary adjustments. Look for ways to cut back. Can you eat out less? Preparing meals at home can save a significant amount of money over time. Find cheaper entertainment. Small changes add up to big savings over time. Opt for cost-effective activities that bring joy without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about being smart. Making thoughtful choices ensures you enjoy life while securing your financial future. It's about making your money work for you. Invest wisely, save diligently, and watch your wealth grow over time. Financial success is within your reach. Investing smartly. Growing your wealth with confidence. Saving is important, but investing is how you grow your wealth. Don't be afraid of investing. It's not as complicated as you think. Start with simple investments like index funds. These funds track the market, so you don't need to be an expert. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different asset classes. Investing takes time. Be patient and consistent. The magic of compounding will work its wonders. Stress less, live more. Strategies for a balanced life. Getting rich shouldn't mean sacrificing your health or happiness. In fact, stress can sabotage your financial goals. Make time for relaxation. Whether it's reading, yoga, or spending time in nature, find what helps you unwind. Don't be afraid to say no. Overcommitting leads to stress. Learn to prioritize your time and energy. Remember, your well-being is an investment too. A calm mind makes better decisions, both financial and otherwise. The power of mindfulness. Cultivating inner peace for financial success. In today's fast-paced world, finding inner peace can be a challenge, but it's essential for achieving financial success. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for managing stress and making sound financial decisions. By practicing mindfulness, you can create a mental space that allows for better judgment and clarity. It's about being present at the moment. Practice mindfulness through meditation. This practice helps you stay grounded and focused, which is crucial when dealing with financial matters. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Consistency is key. Regular meditation can significantly reduce stress levels and improve your overall well-being. Focus on your breath and let go of worries. Breathing exercises can help you stay calm and composed, especially during financial crises. When you feel stressed about money, take a deep breath. This simple act can help you reset your mind and approach problems with a fresh perspective. Respond to financial challenges with a clear and calm mind. A calm mind is more capable of finding solutions and making rational decisions. Mindfulness helps you appreciate what you have. It encourages gratitude, which can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you've already achieved. By recognizing your accomplishments, you build confidence and a positive outlook, which are essential for financial success. Finding your financial freedom, a journey of balance and growth. Getting rich faster with less stress is a journey. It's about making smart financial choices while prioritizing your well-being. Remember these key takeaways. Spend less than you earn. Invest wisely. Manage your stress. Practice mindfulness. Celebrate your successes along the way. Every step towards financial freedom is a victory. You deserve a life of abundance and peace. Go after it with confidence and joy. Your financial freedom awaits.